Okay, so I just got home from the store and AT&T and Best Buy, like I was talking about earlier. I've been back for about 15 minutes, and I had enough time to put the groceries away, put the phone on charger, plug in my iPad. And I said, well, let me just see what kind of headache this is going to be transferring video over to my iPad, because I've taken a couple of them earlier today, and I just wanted to see the process versus with the Samsung and the iPad. So I come outside, sit down. Oh yeah, by the way, I do live in an RV. That's a different subject. And I'm trying to figure out how to switch the camera around. I'm not the most technically challenged, but I'm not the most technically inclined either. So I'm gonna turn the phone around until I figure out how to do this. But yes, there's the RV. That is what we live in, my girlfriend and I. Different subject for a later time. Okay, so anyway, I sit down and I said, let me just see what it takes to transfer these videos. So I turn on my devices. I said, you know what, I'm gonna open up my video editing app and just see if the files may be there. And lo and behold, they were there. Bam. Didn't do anything. They just synced. Do you know how much time that's going to save me now? Ask me if I'm happy I spent a little bit of money today on an iPhone. Yes, a little bit. Okay, so enough of that. So a little bit, since this is my introductory video, the first video, if you will, a little bit about the name RV Ranger Handyman. Well, obviously, I just showed you the RV. Yes, we do live in an RV full time. It's part of our plan process. We got tired of the city, wanted to get out of the city, bought an RV. We're going to looking for some land, buy some land. We'll put it on it, and while we build a house. I think I may know somebody who knows a little bit about building a house. I'll have to call my dad. Okay. So, big plan. So that's the RV part. The Ranger part is, yes, I am retired military, and yes, I am an airborne ranger. I've been in the military or associated with the military for about 35 years. Different story, later time. Now, the handyman. I'm not necessarily classifying myself as a handyman, because actually I'm a general contractor. I remodel homes, I build additions, just about anything. But handyman sounded like a handier title. I kind of liked it. So yes, what this channel is going to be about is primarily about renovation, repairing things, fixing things, adding things, pretty much a how-to. I've been asked by several of my customers or clients or friends if I did how-to videos, and the answer was always no. I'm always working. Don't really have time to shoot videos or edit them or post them, and then again, I'm not the most technically inclined, so it's a big learning process. But over time being asked this and doing what I do, I just started messing around doing some short video clips of doing projects. Now, unfortunately, that was on the Samsung phone. So I'm going to have to figure out how to transfer those videos over to my iPad and edit them and eventually get them put in. But for right now, that's a no-go. Because the iPhone to iPad, I'm sold. Okay, the channel is going to be about fixing things, remodeling, renovation, RV handiwork as well. Some of our do's and our don'ts, lessons that we learned. We've been in it for 3 months now, living in it full time. We've learned a lot already. Had some mistakes, which is good because you grow from them. But we'll share those later. It's part of the channel, so we'll definitely get on and share about those, especially about the things we've repaired, things we've modified, just things we made different, and what we want to do with the ideas as well, and what we want to do with the RV as well. So a few projects going on that we'll start taking some video of and bringing you up to date on. But primarily, It's going to be a how-to video or a how-to channel. We'll discuss just about any topic and every topic, and we'll break things down and we'll go over them. We'll show a lot of photos, a lot of videos, and that's the primary basis of what this channel is going to be about. We hope you enjoy it. More than welcome to always leave comments and suggestions. We encourage that. That's how we all grow. I'm a big-time YouTuber myself. Even though I do this for a living, I still get on YouTube, look for fresh ideas, different ways of doing things, better tools. Times change, things get upgraded, technology changes. People want different things. It's always good to have your glass half empty. And that is where I keep my glass. Unless it's a cocktail, then I try to keep it half full. But we won't talk about that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's where we're at, and that's where we're going. We hope you enjoy it. This is our first venture. Please leave your comments on how to do this, what we're doing wrong, what we're doing right. We'll accept them all, good and bad. Like we said, or like I said, my glass is always half empty. Always willing to learn. Okay, thank you. See you down the road.